channel. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector and fashion lover. Thanks for tuning in. Well, today let's talk about this cutie. Way! And the question, why is she the only one? So, when I'm saying she's the only one, I want to tell you that it's the only white leather bag I got in my collection. So, let's have first a presentation of this bag. This bag is from Longchamp, because you all recognize the bamboo symbol. This bag is Le Madeleine in the small size, because Le Madeleine was declined in two sizes, the small one and of course a larger one. So, but first I will take off the Twilly so you can admire the bag. I found this Twilly really cute with my Madeleine. The Twilly is from Hermes. The design is called Les Parisiennes. So let's unwrap it so you can see clearly the bag. And so, look how gorgeous this Twilly is. I really like the design. The color is not white, in fact it is cream and red and some touch of blue, but it's the whitest Twilly I got, and I think it's perfectly matched my white Madeleine. So, let's have a look at this bag. So you can see the top handle is a piece of leather. It is thick, but really nice when you take it by the end like this. Then you got silver hardware, really nice. And then you got the bag. The dimension of the bag, I will write in inches, but I will measure right now. So at the base it is 27 centimeters, the height 20, and the wide it's 11 centimeters. So to open it, you see the bamboo. There's a tiny push button. You open like this, and inside, look how cool it is. I really love the contrast color inside. I don't know if you see clearly with the lights, but it's a khaki. It's a strong khaki inside and it's really cute. So the bag comes with a strap. Up, an additional strap. This is the main compartment. As you can see, you got a zip closure, a zip pocket, sorry. Up, really nice, and the size is great. And two flap pockets here, which are small but not so tiny at all. If you want to put some pen, lipsticks or tissue. And inside it is the traditional Longchamp ribbon jacquard. And it's really cute. I love the inside color. It's really nice, and I think it's a nice combo, white and khaki. I love it. So, I bought this bag during summer sales, and I bought it because I was invited to a ceremony, and maybe some of you know, but I got two kids, and I've got pouches, clutches for ceremony. But with two kids, when you know that the ceremony will last a little bit, kids want snacks. So, in my clutches and pouches, it was impossible to put some compote, fruit fruit marmalade compote. I will include the English word. And so I told myself it was summer sales. Let's have a look at Longchamp. And as soon as I went in the Longchamp store, I saw it and I said to myself, bingo, this one. So guys, I'm sorry, I do not remember how much I paid for it. I bought it, it was in, I think it was in 2018. Yes, 2018, because this bag was released the first time for the fall winter collection 2017. And so the white color came for the spring summer collection. And I do not remember the price. I know I bought it on sale. I've got 13% off, and the leather is Taurillon. I love this leather. It's a nice leather, really nice to touch and strong. It's high quality and of course not so waterproof. I mean waterproof as the Foulonné. But it's a nice leather. I love Taurillon. My roseau essentiel, you know, the larger tote I've got in yellow, it's all in Taurillon. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. So I recommend Taurillon leather. And yes, I was really happy, and now I use this bag especially and maybe only in spring, summer. Because I do not see myself wearing a white bag during autumn and winter. I know it's maybe an error from myself, but I don't know why. White bag, I associate the image of white bag with ceremony, summer. Don't ask me why. I have no clue. I cannot explain that. Please comment below if you think the same, or happily you have another point of view. I am really interested to know your point of view about the white bag situation. But that's the reason why I only got her in my collection. And yes, the strap. So the strap is removable, as you can see, silver hardware, and you can adjust it. As you know, I'm not a big fan of this type of adjustment because and this one is not the worst, but yes, I'm not a big fan of this type of adjustment. And you can fix it either on this hook, you see here, this part, or directly here. It's up to you. I love to put the hook on the D-ring of this part, and so and you have a nice crossbody bag. And I love how the top handle go on the bag. Of course you can put it like this, but I prefer like this. So, oh, I forgot to mention, but the bag got fit, and this is quite a nice option because sometimes you have to put your bag on the floor. Yes, I know it's not the best, but sometimes, depending on where you are, and sometimes, you know, in South of France, we love to go on tiny restaurant, tiny bar, and yes, there's not the place, so sometimes you have to put your bag on the floor, but that's life. And so, yes, to be honest, I love this bag. I have, yes, the only thing, yes, if I have to say tiny negative point, it's maybe how to open the bag, but I explain you and you will laugh at me, but you're right. But as you can see, I've got short nails, but sometimes I got longer nails. And I have to say that when you have longer nails, I am not comfortable here, you see, because you have really your finger have to touch the leather and then here to press correctly. It's not difficult, but imagine if you have longer nails, of course it tends to scratch it, not the first time, but every time you open it, yes, it will scratch one day. So I think it's just, yes, that's the only tiny negative point of this bag. Other than that, I'm really happy. I got it for a long time now, and as you can see, I have no problem. Of course, maybe if I wear it in winter I am wearing a lot of jeans, maybe I will have collant transfer. I say maybe because I don't know exactly, as I'm not using this bag in winter, and in summer I could not wear jeans. In south of France it is impossible. Look, today I'm wearing a skirt and it's impossible, it's so hot. So maybe I will have color transfer, and that's also maybe a reason why in my mind I do not invest in white bags, because I will be maybe afraid of that. So I think it will be the only one for the moment till till she resists with my lifestyle. Yes, please comment below if you are a white bag lover, or like me, you only have one and you are really happy with it and you live with it, but you do not intend to invest in more white bags. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and yes, subscribe to my channel, because I see a lot of people coming several times on my video. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be informed every time I post a video. And guys, stay tuned, because some of you who follow me on Instagram, I will link my Instagram account. Some of you know that I have made some damages in Longchamp. And the next video, which are coming soon, guys, you will see lots of eye candies. And if you have questions about this bag or any question about Longchamp and bags and leathers, I'll help you. Thanks for watching, have a great day. Merci d'avoir regardé, je vous souhaite une très bonne journée et je vous dis à bientôt. Bye guys!